Hello and welcome to Easy Adulthood. If you follow us on social media, you may have noticed that we have been posting about saving and budgeting for Christmas. To help you organize your Christmas and stick to your Christmas gift budget, we've put together a free Christmas gifts planner, budgeter and tracker, which you can download from our blog linked in the description box below. In this video, we'll walk you through our Christmas gift planner, budgeter and tracker. Our spreadsheet contains 3 worksheets. The first worksheet provides an explanation of how to use this spreadsheet. However, we will walk you through this in this video tutorial. There are 2 important points to remember when using this spreadsheet. The first point is that you only need to enter data into grey-filled cells. Clear cells are auto-populating. The second point is that if you hover your mouse cursor over a heading, you'll be provided with an explanation of what the cell or column is doing. So for example, if I hover my cursor over the giftee heading, you can see that a note comes up which says, "Please enter the name of your giftee. Please note that a giftee can only be entered once in the budget table." So in this Xmas gift budget worksheet, I'm going to record all of my giftees and the budget that I have for each person. So the first person I will list is Mum, and my budget for her is £100. The next giftee I'll mention is Dad, and my budget for him is also £100. My final giftee will be Grandma, and my budget for her is also £100. All of our clear cells have now auto-populated. So for example, our total budgeted is now £300 because it sums up our budget for all of our giftees. Our total spent is still £0 and our total budgeted versus total spent is now £300. We can now record our gift details in the Xmas gift details worksheet. In the giftee column, you can either type the name of your giftee or select them from the drop down below. So I'm going to select Mum. Her gift is perfume. The price of her gift is £50. Now this purchase column is very important because the price of the gift will only be included in the total spent if yes is entered into the purchase column. So I'm just going to select yes from the drop down. The date purchased is the 10th of October 2020. Now we can record whether we have wrapped the gift, and I'm going to say no because it's a bit early. And then the notes column is for you to record any additional information which you think will be useful. So I'm just going to say purchased from John Lewis. I'm then going to enter the rest of my gift details. So the next gift is for Mum, and it's a scarf that is also £50, and I'm going to say yes, it's purchased and leave the other fields blank. The next gift is for Dad. It's a coat. It costs £120, and yes, it's been purchased. The next gift is for Grandma, and it's a chair. It costs £70. And yes, it has been purchased. We can now go to our Xmas gift budget worksheet to get an overview of our spending against our budget. So you can see now that our budget for Mum was £100 and we spent exactly £100. So our budget versus amount spent for Mum is £0. For Dad, our budget was £100, but we spent £120. So our budget versus amount spent is minus £20 and is in red to show us that we've gone over budget on Dad. For Grandma, our budget was £100 and the amount spent was £70, so our budget versus amount spent is £30. If we look at our overview table, we can see that our total budgeted versus total spent is £10, so we are still within our budget. Even though we overspent on Dad, we underspent on Grandma, which was able to offset the overspend on Dad. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Please let us know in the comments below if you'll be using our spreadsheet to keep track of your Christmas gifts and your Christmas budget. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.